Hey there, it's Odessa Kyleman with eXp Realty with another home tour for you. I am here today to show you this beautiful home that is just on the east side of Moon Valley, on the other side of the hill, but it is just off of Cave Creek Road and still nestled between a few different mountains. So if you like hiking trails, you like open spaces, seeing all the tops of the mountains in the background, this home just might be the perfect one for you. So the property address here is 13432 North 20th Street. It is in the zip code 85022, and this house is listed at 764.9. I'll give you more specifics once we get inside, but let's take a look around first. So as we walk inside, the first thing that you're going to notice is that it is a completely open floor plan. The thing that really attracted me to this house is the kitchen. Look at this behind me. Is that just amazing? So they have opened up this floor plan. You have a nice big living room as well as the kitchen dining that they've combined in a little bit different way. This is not typical. This table is actually built in and it's attached to the island behind it. They also have a beautiful serving area, and the cabinetry here is really unique. This to me looks like full custom cabinetry that I would see in, I don't know, some $1 million apartment in Manhattan. It is super cool. You know, black countertops, this like charcoal, not quite black. I guess it's like a really dark charcoal gray for your cabinetry. And then this beautiful natural wood throughout as well. But you can see the window there, and take a look at some of these cabinets. So as you go throughout this house, another thing you're going to notice is the flooring. It is all a wood look vinyl. It is a nice soft gray, almost kind of has a little bit of a beachy vibe to it, but it's also very modern. All of the bedrooms have been updated, same flooring, nice ceiling fans. All of the finishes in this house are really congruent with each other. Alrighty, so some information about this home. This is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. So we had, of course, the full bathroom in the master suite. We had the hall bathroom that had that big freestanding tub and the walk-in shower. And then we had the small powder room over on the other side with the what's currently being used as an office, but also could be a guest bedroom because it does still have a full closet. So you have your master bedroom and 2 bedrooms on this side, and then on the other side you have the office or 4th bedroom and the powder room. So that's really a cool layout. The garage is also over on that side of the house. In the middle here, the heart of the home, huge living area. You could put an office in here as well if you wish. But again, the things that I really love about this home are all of the gorgeous modern cabinetry, as well as the fact that when you look out the windows, you're actually seeing mountains. It's really, really pretty. So the house is 2,460 square foot, and the property is almost 12,000 square foot. The yard is pretty big. It's not that you see it all when you walk out front. When you walk out to the backyard, you have the pool to your left. The patio is in the middle, and then to the right of the patio, there's a whole nother grassy area that's almost the size of a full yard in itself. So the layout here of the way the house sits on the property is really great. We've got plenty of room on the side for a swing set, a workshop if you wanted to add it. Lots of outdoor space over there. Pool on the other side for hanging out, barbecuing, chilling with friends, family. So this home is all one level, no interior steps, and it's a full remodel. They have warm wood accents and tons of gorgeous custom cabinets. Leathered granite countertops. I was wondering what to call that. That's cool. Natural stone backsplash. They have the stainless steel appliances and the full open floor plan. So this home is in the Paradise Valley School District, and the closest school is Hidden Hills Elementary School. What's good about this neighborhood is you are really close to Moon Valley. You're also close to the I-17, the 101, and the 51. Any of those freeways you can get to from this house probably within about 10 minutes, maybe even less. And from there, you can go any direction in the city. So it really would make it easy if you do have a commute or you do need to get to different areas of the city at different times to be able to get around and make the whole valley kind of at your doorstep. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you know somebody that might be interested. And most of all, if you're out there house hunting, I have a list of our preferred homes in the Phoenix area. Go ahead and click the link below. And if you'd like to schedule a one-on-one consultation, I'm always here to help. This is Odessa Kylan with eXp. Until next time.